And we are now getting some breaking news on the broadcast. This time, Shiv Sena MP of the Uddhav faction, Sanjay Raut, has weighed in on the Delhi elections, and he said, let me quote from that statement of his, on Delhi elections day, Modi ji is visiting Kumbh to take a holy dip. He thinks that the people of Delhi will be voting for him on this basis. Now, if people vote on this basis, then democracy is in danger in the country. Kejriwal ji should get votes based on the work that he's done, unquote.
मोदी जी को लगता है 5 तारीख को वो कुंभ में जाकर पूरा दिन डुबकी लगा रहे, क्योंकि वो डुबकी लगाते हुए दिल्ली की जनता ने देखे और उस आधार पर उनको वोट मिलना चाहिए कि मोदी जी डुबकी लगा रहे। मोदी जी कुंभ में जाकर स्नान कर रहे, ये उनका सबसे बड़ा काम है कि मैं स्नान कर रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं। लोग ये देखकर अगर वोट करते हैं तो इस देश का लोकतंत्र खतरे में है, इस देश की एक विचारधारा है वो खतरे में है। मुझे लगता है काम की बात करें, काम के आधार की बात करें तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और उनके पार्टी ने 10 साल में अच्छा काम किया है और काम के आधार पर आपको वोट मिलने चाहिए।
Let me take this across to my colleague Akash Sharma, who's with us on the broadcast now. Akash, when it comes to the Mahakumbh, opposition is leaving no stone unturned, especially in these last 2 days of the budget session, to corner the government on the stampede that had occurred there. Now, with Narendra Modi taking a holy dip on the day when Delhi goes to votes, is this going to be helping the BJP campaign in any way, considering the opposition is just opening and launching that tirade against the BJP on just that?
Griha, one factual, aspect of this, whole story is that Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of the country. When such a celebration is happening, in Uttar Pradesh, so in personal capacity or in professional capacity, being the Prime Minister of the country, he can go anywhere. I'm not the party spokesperson, but then, we have to see the other aspect as well. Yes, definitely, opposition is somewhere trying to implicate as if it is a planned move, because on the same day, Delhi is going for polls and this can impact the voters. But at this point in time, you need to see the other aspects as well. As far as Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray camp is concerned, so yes, they are alleging that democracy is in danger because this is going to be the basis of that. But the second part and the, second thought over it is that they are supporting Arvind Kejriwal and they really, are trying and, trying to implicate something that is not very obvious. Now, coming to, this particular development where this is the last day of the campaign and Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party are trying their level best. So yes, there are multiple roadshows, events planned in the entire national capital territory of Delhi, where we have heavyweights of both Aam Aadmi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party, leaders going in different areas. In fact, covering all 70 constituencies, assembly constituencies here in the national capital, to woo voters, to tell them that how we are better than the other party and why they should choose them over the others.
Absolutely, Akash. Thank you so much for that. We will keep coming back to you to track all the developments ahead of elections in the national capital. Akash there mentioning how this is the last day of campaigning. And of course, all the political parties are throwing all their heavy weights behind their party so that their campaign is foolproof ahead of Delhi going to vote on 5th of February. Let's take a look at other reactions, beginning with Sandeep Dikshit of the Congress Party.
अगर कहीं भी किसी भी कैंडिडेट को लगता है कि प्रशासन जो है किसी की मदद कर रहा है, तो मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट है इलेक्शन कमीशन से कि उसको गंभीरता से देखना चाहिए, कोई भी पार्टी हो। आम आदमी पार्टी की और बीजेपी की दिक्कत क्या है कि इनके पास स्थानीय कार्यकर्ता नहीं है, ये ज्यादातर पेड वॉलंटियर्स हैं। आप देखिएगा वो छोटे छोटे बच्चे पटका लगा के घूमते रहते हैं, उनको 500, 600, 700 रुपए दिन के मिल जाते हैं, क्योंकि स्थानीय कार्यकर्ता जो होता है, जो इलाके का होता है, उसे ये दिक्कत नहीं होती है, वो लोगों को जानता है, वो सिचुएशन संभाल लेता है। तो मैं केजरीवाल जी से भी कहूंगा कि लोकल कार्यकर्ताओं का इस्तेमाल करिए। ये जो आप खर्चा करके लोगों को बनाते हैं ना, ये कार्यकर्ता कभी आपके लिए वोट नहीं मांग सकते।